So it's jurisprudence. Well, um, according to my syllabus, there is, I can show you. Yeah, here's one thing. It's kind of fuzzy here, but I'll try my best to interpret it goodly so anybody can understand, whoever will listen to it. Well, first is the introduction, that means what is jurisprudence and um, why is jurisprudence, why is in law. As we know, we are going to just discuss about it more, and then comes the theories of law, which says that I'm saying it, natural law theory, positivist theory, and that means that's part of analytical theory, then legal realism, then sociological theory, and we can see more, but as a Indian law student, we are concerned with the given topics, but we'll discuss it later. And then comes the source of law, that is legislation, precedent, custom, and then the concept of legal rights, ownership, position, legal personality. That's all. So to understand law, as we are going to start to get to know about introduction. Yes, so this part I'm going to understand, through you I'm going to make myself understand. Introduction. This typically says that introduction means what is jurisprudence. As we all are very related to the term etymological meaning of anything, as we have came to study in law, so at first I'm not going to talk about that thing. I'm going to start from the viewpoints of the jurist, how they see, how they defined jurisprudence through my book. uh, and then if you feel like you want me to add more, then while watching this video you can say it in comment box. So um, oh, by the way, I forgot to say a very happy new year. Well, it's belated, but although we just stepped into it, and so just I wished it that happy new year to all, and to me too. So jurisprudence is derived from a Latin word, means, so what we are going to know about jurisprudence is that came from Latin origin, and that's the word Latin origin, which is jurisprudentia. Jurisprudentia. Well, now we are going to split it up into two parts, that is juris, and next one is prudentia. As we know the meaning of prudent, it sounds so similar with it, that prudent, prudentia. That means we can say it also that the prudent word also came from here. So what is the meaning of prudentia? It says that skill or knowledge. As we know about prudent means good, and here what we get that prudential means skill or knowledge. I know my handwriting is not visible here, but I'll my best to see. I'm trying my best. Okay, so jury says is about the juries, that means who talk about law or who thought about law. Then comes, so if we sum up the meaning, then what we get,